What's good people? It's your boy Shar J, representing Debonair Millionaires, and I'm here to talk about the importance of taking a daily money minute. Let's get it. On my channel, I like to say that I am promoting financial literacy. I'm not teaching it, I'm not preaching it, I'm promoting it, you know? So, what is a daily money minute? Okay, a daily money minute is, I guess, a habit. It's not really, I guess I'll call it a tip. This is a tip. Tip for those who want to be financially stable on a financially independent lifestyle, right? Just gonna get you there, right? This is a tip. A daily money minute is you basically taking a 60-second look into your account. Look into what you bought yesterday. Look at what you bought today. Compare those. Look at what was needed and look at what you wanted. Looking at your old transactions can help you decide for if that purchase was needed or wanted. When you know what was needed and wanted in your life, you start to decide on if you need to spend money on it at that time. This helps you to decide mentally or subliminally in your mind to make better decisions on future purchases. This little tip, 1 minute, one little 60-second check in whatever transaction you just made, whether it was good or bad, helps you to identify what you need and what you want in the immediate future. Just a little tip for you guys. I call it a money minute.